Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Bank of America. Fast setup step by step clearly. Open your Bank of America mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password. On the main screen, locate the Transfers option. Select Send Money with Zelle. Read through the Zelle terms and conditions. Once you agree, click Get Started. Next, choose the email address or phone number you want to register with Zelle. Verify your identity by entering the required information. You might receive a verification code via text or email. Enter the verification code in the app. After verification, select the funding account you wish to use. Tap Continue to finish the setup process. You will receive a confirmation that Zelle is now activated. Now you can send money to friends and family using Zelle. To send money, return to the Transfers section. Select Send Money with Zelle again. Choose the recipient from your contacts or enter their email or phone number. Enter the amount you wish to send. Optionally, include a note for the transaction. Review the details carefully before hitting send. Your money will be transferred instantly, allowing for quick transactions. That's all it takes to set up and use Zelle with Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.